Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the chemical properties of water. So, the first point is action towards litmus paper. Pure water is neutral and it shows no action towards the litmus paper. You know that water doesn't shows any reaction with the litmus paper. Okay, litmus paper can be in a red color or blue color, but whatever the color may be of the litmus paper, the pure water will not show any reactions. Then is the stability. Water is very stable compound. It does not decompose into elements when heated in ordinary temperatures. So when it is a stable compound, it will not show any reactions when we increase the temperature. When it is heated, it will not show any changes. Of water decomposes will form hydrogen and oxygen. At 0.02%, the water will get decomposed to form hydrogen and oxygen gas. Now, catalytic nature. Water acts as a catalyst in a number of reactions. Catalyst means which speed up the reaction, which regulate the reaction is called as catalyst. Any substance which regulate the reaction. So, water acts as a catalyst in a number of reactions. Perfectly, dry hydrogen and chlorine gases do not react in the presence of sunlight. So, these two gases will not react. Dry hydrogen and chlorine will not react in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of traces of water, the reaction takes with explosion to produce hydrogen chloride. So, with the presence of water, dry hydrogen and chlorine will react to form hydrogen chloride. And the next reaction is with metals. Water reacts with some metals such as sodium, potassium, and calcium react vigorously at room temperature. It reacts with water to form hydrogen gas and sodium hydroxide solution. So some metals like sodium, potassium, and calcium react with water in the room temperature. Okay. Then magnesium is a little more sluggish. Sluggish means not much a fast reaction. It reacts with hot water and gives hydrogen and magnesium hydroxide solution. Many other metals react with water to form oxides and hydroxides. Some other metals react with water to form oxides and hydroxides. Iron is one such metal which forms the iron oxide. You know how we get the rust. Okay, that is because the metal iron reacts with water or oxygen to form iron oxide. In the fast ship salt, you have seen when it gets close with the water, it gets reacted. And that is the rust is formed. Then reaction with non-metals. Red hot carbon coke reacts with steam to produce water gas. So that is carbon monoxide. Do you know copper does not react with water at any temperature. That is why it is used for making pipes and boilers. It is a give reason question why copper react the room temperature to make pipes and bottles. Okay. Now next is water is used as a universal solvent. A solvent is a substance which dissolves other substances. That means it makes to dissolve the other substances. In a salt solution, water is a solvent and salt is a solute. So, what in a other salt solution, water is a solvent and salt is a solute. Water has a unique property to dissolve most. It dissolves solids such as salt and sugar, liquids such as honey and milk, and gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. So these are the therefore it is called as universal solvent. Why water is called as universal solvent? It dissolves whatever it gets into the water. It will become, the water is a solvent and the other substances will become the solute. That means salt, sugar, honey, milk, this all will become the solute. So they have given one activity: place a sample tap of water in a clean watch glass and place it over a beaker containing water. So when the water has evaporated from the watch glass, remove from the burner and let it cool. What do you see? The precipitation of that will be seen after all the water is evaporated. That is the activity. Okay. Then you can see a number of concentrates of solid matter deposited in the watch glass. There are dissolved solids left behind after the evaporation of water. All the salts, after the evaporation of water, the salts will be found inside the watch glass. Then Dissolved salts are important for the following reason. Why the dissolved salts are important? They are essential for the growth and the development of plants. They add a taste to water. They supply the essential minerals needed for our bodies. Most of the chemical reactions important for our living take place in the cells of our body with the help of water. These are the essential needs of the water. So, tap water, river water, and well water contain dissolved solids, but rainwater and distilled water do not contain dissolved solids. Hence, concentric rings are not formed in the rain. So, in the rainwater and the distilled water, the concentric rings will not be formed. There will be no impurities. All other waters, when we boil, all the water gets evaporated, and the rings of all the solids, what are the salts found in that, it will be found as a concentrates, but in rainwater and distilled water it will be not, because it is not having any impurities. Apart from solids and minerals, air is also dissolved in water. Air is present in dissolved state in all the natural sources of water. The solubility of oxygen in water is higher than that the solubility of nitrogen. Air dissolved in water contains approximately 35.6% of oxygen along with nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Air being dissolved in water is important for the following reasons. Why air is dissolved in water? Air dissolved in water is important for the living organisms to survive. Then, fish extracts the oxygen from the water and expels the water through the gills. Fish can survive the water only through dissolved oxygen present in water. Aquatic plants make use of the dissolved carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water reacts with limestone to form calcium bicarbonate. Marine organisms such as snails, oysters, etc. extract calcium carbonate from the calcium bicarbonate to build their shells. So these are the uses of water. Then comes the potable water. Potable water, the water used for drinking purpose, is called as potable water. Imagine you are swimming in the sea. By accident you swallow some of the sea water. What do you feel? Sea water will be salty in taste. So when you drink that salt water, it is not good for drinking purpose. So if you drink a fresh water, it will be used for cooking purpose also, but sea water is not used for cooking purpose. Okay, so potable water means the water is used for cooking, and all the domestic purposes are called as salt water. Okay, or not salt water, the potable water. Then comes, what are the characteristics of potable water? The following are the characteristics of the potable water. Potable water should be colorless and odorless. So what are the characteristics of potable water? Potable water should be colorless and odorless. It should be transparent. It should be free from harmful microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, and protozoa. It should be free from impurities such as suspended solids. It should contain some minerals and salts necessary for the body, and some dissolved gases to add taste. So these are the important characteristics of a potable water. Potable means the water used for drinking purpose or for the domestic purpose. So thank you, students. Purification of water will go for the next class. Thank you, students.